Hi, I'm Lindsay-Ann Chilcott, and I'm an interdisciplinary artist from Niagara Falls, Ontario. Over the past couple of years, I have focused on painting, sculpture, and upcycling. Because of my background in environmental sciences, I really enjoy using recycled materials that I find around my neighborhood. On my walks, I normally keep an eye out for interesting materials that I can use in my work. In the past, I have found electrical wires, tube TVs, circuit boards, and more. After bringing these materials home, I have to find a way to combine them into my artwork. This is my favorite part of the process, as it forces me to think outside the box and experiment with many options. I graduated from Brock University in June of 2021 with a major in studio art and a minor in art history and visual culture. While in school, I became inspired by artists such as Andy Warhol and Brian Youngin. I admired Andy Warhol's use of color while also being inspired by Brian Youngin's transformation of everyday objects. After graduating, I began specializing in the combination of recycled objects with vibrant colors to confront society's expendable nature. Today, I find my practice revolves around surrealistic uncanny works. My work is often influenced by my interests in popular culture, psychology, and communication. I often incorporate anatomical features into my newer work, and these are usually made from polymer clay. Overall, I strive to experiment with a variety of materials to expand my practice. My current installation, Culture Craze, symbolizes the rise of the World Wide Web and the toys that took the media by storm. Google was founded in the 1990s, so I want to commemorate the impact it had on the technological advancement. I am excited to have the opportunity to showcase my interests in popular culture and communication. For this project, I found several computer monitors from the 1990s that were thrown away. Instead of these monitors ending up in the scrapyard, I repurposed them into nostalgic 90s memorabilia through acrylic paintings, clay sculptures, and upcycled toys. I hope this installation brings the audience comfort as they slow down and experience these objects that bring fond memories. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the Niagara Falls Night of Art.